welcome back. Roy Leonard, all things wood. But this week we're using metal again. I seem to be obsessed with metal, but we're going to make a wooden handle. The object of this, I bought this off of Marketplace on Facebook, £5. Quite old, well it's very old, I wouldn't like to say how old it was, might be 100 years, might be more. So yeah, I'm going to restore this, clean it up. I've got a piece of ash I'm going to use and make my own handle. Might be able to do some of it on the turner, but it's not exactly going to be perfectly round. It's going to be more sort of oblong shape. Yeah, clean this up with like coarse sandpaper and then get finer and finer. Get it sharpened up, resin the handle on, and bring it back to its former glory, which is going to be quite a nice project really. You know, £5, what's that when it's done? I don't know, worth about whatever anybody wants to pay for it, that's what it's worth. But I won't be selling it because I'll be keeping it. So without further ado, let's crack on with it, shall we?
Meet you downstairs in the bar in her. My rolled up sleeves and my old skull t-shirt. I said, why did you do it with him?
Okay, welcome back then. So here's where we've got to with the old bill hook. I haven't finished cleaning it up. Trouble is, my sanding pad, I broke it. Being a bit aggressive, so I've glued that with a bit of epoxy resin. So that's, like I say, as far as I've got. I'm going to clean it up, but you can't get it right down because there's loads of pitted bits and you don't want to go any deeper. The make of it is Parks, so I've looked that up. They're still going, that company. Here's the handle, well, will be the handle. So I've marked it out, drilled me centre. That's where I'm going to put a 22mm copper bit of plumbing pipe. Put the centres on, but instead of doing it on the lathe, I'm going to try and do it with my trusty homemade draw knife. So wish me luck. Thank you.
I hurt myself today. See if I still feel. I focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. The needle it tears a hole. That old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away. I've done everything.
Okay then, so a bit of a disaster. With this bit of ash, I was putting it in the microwave to dry it out, which you can do with like wood, but I think I put it in a bit too long. So lesson to be learned. It went off like a firework. It started to self-combust. So good job I was there. I was waiting to call the kitchen alight. So I won't be doing that again. So I'm gonna have to see where it's got. Until I took that off with a draw knife, I didn't know it was in that sort of state. But it's actually charred. So that would have definitely went up if I wasn't there to take it out and chuck it outside. And the missus was well peed off of me because it stunk like anything. So I'm gonna have to find another bit of timber and start again. So I'll catch you in a bit. So where are we to then? Coming on. Just need, all it needs now, I reckon, is just a bit of TLC, you know, give it good sand, and I've done that with a drill on the end. That will take the 22mm copper. I just want to show you this other handle. That is dangerous, isn't it? Bloody hell. So I put this in the microwave, but kept my eye on it and only kept it in there for about 2 minutes and let it really cool down before I done it. I've done it about 3 times, but took it out in the cold weather, let it cool down, and then that was it really. Hopefully that's got most of the moisture out. But lesson learned to anybody, especially me, when you're using the microwave to dry wood out, don't walk away from it, you know, because you don't know what's going to happen there. Stupid boy. So really now, yeah, I'm just going to keep sanding that while I'm talking to you, and then hopefully I can carry on cleaning the where is the blade? Carry on cleaning the blade up, drill a hole in, well, when I finish sanding it, drill a hole in there, and I'm going to resin it in, because the normal way is to heat these up, drill a hole and then just basically burn them. And I think they might cap it, bend the end over and put a washer on there. I ain't really sure, but I'm going to do it the resin way anyway, because the draw knife, I think that's done alright really, the old draw knife, you know, that resin, it's a little bit flexible, but that's because it's only made out of a diamond disc blade, so they're not that thick. But yeah, so I'm just going to carry on sanding this up, put a bit of varnish or something, a bit of oil on there, a bit of Bodian oil, and I'll catch you in a minute. Alright, thank you. Carry me away. Right, so now I've got the job of drilling it out, ready to accept the bill hook. I've got a line down there, that's exactly where I want my, got a spade bit, 30mm bit. Keep it in line with there and keep it in line with there. So it's a bit of a double bubble really. So wish me luck. Let me tighten this up first. Right, here we go. So I'm going to eye this up that way. If I'm getting in the way of the camera, that's tough. Right, where are we to there? Alright, eye it up. Right, now eye it up that way. Tickety boo. I have sharpened this drill, but still smoking. Right, let me try that way. I was going off a bit there. Right, that way. No. Too bad. Well, how deep I've got to go? Bit deeper. As far as the drill can go. Right. See how it goes. Right. Let's check that way. Right, I think that didn't go too bad. And that slots in there. Just got to make this slightly bigger. I might burn that bit in. Copper. I'm going to do about a 20mm bit of copper on there. Put that in when I finish sanding it up. and then put some resin in, and that ain't going to come out of there.
Hey, hey, the clouds are away. The soul for the donkey and the innocents can all sleep safely. All sleep safely. My mind, the sun is a pie. There's fodder for the cannons and the guilty ones can all sleep safely. All sleep safely. The world is full of shame, just for me to kick his space, and I've got one.
Right, so I finished the bill hook, but before I show you the finished job, I just want to show you this bit of information I looked up online. The company who made the bill hook is A&F Parks & Co. 1837 company founded. And if we go down a bit, hold on. 1961, manufacturers of edge tools, garden tools and shovels, 190 employees. 1962, a Birmingham works closed, so they're not still trading. So that's a bit of interesting information for you. Right, welcome back. Saturday morning, freezing cold. So here is the finished bill hook. Hey, what do you reckon? I haven't cleaned it up perfect. What's the point? I'm going to use it for a work tool. So what am I going to score myself for this one? I don't know. I reckon it's a 7. A 7 from Len. I think I made a mistake with this copper ring here. I should have got a bigger, but that's all I had anyway. So I've just used what I've got. I didn't burn it in. I've used resin, but that seems to have held. Sorry about that, Ian, but I didn't do it the traditional way. I've done it my way, like Frank Sinatra. The handle. I got my name printed on there. That's you're probably reading that back to front because I got the camera facing me. Yeah, the handle went well, really, I think. Probably a little bit longer than you'd normally have, I think. I just looked at it online. But it is very sharp. I just want to see if I can show you. If it doesn't go... Right, let's hold on a minute. Let me tilt this camera down a smidgen. Right, can you just see the top of that? Right. Here is a bit of 4x4. Right, so now I'm going to have a go at. Easy peasy. Right, let's move that to one side a minute. Tilt the camera up. Professional, isn't it? This is. Hey, you don't get many channels like this. You know, you get a bit of comedy, you got your music, and you got the woodcraft. So, I don't know. What do you think about this? Like say you don't want a nice shiny bill hook, you go into the woods with a nice shiny bill hook, they go, oh, you know, oh, he's got a brand new hook. He don't know what he's doing. But if you go with something like this that goes, hold on, this guy's professional. He really knows what he's doing. Don't I talk some rubbish? Right, anyway, I just want to change the subject a little bit. I've turned this bow out of yew for my friend Graham G and his wife Susie. I nearly give up with it because of this bad bits there and there, the rot or whatever it is in there. But I persevered, and actually I think it's turned out pretty special actually. I'm pretty pleased with that. So that's for my mate Graham. He can come and pick that up whenever. You know, he's quite a big fan. You know, the other night, it's Saturday night, he didn't know what to watch on telly. He said to Susie, I know what we'll do. We'll watch the box set of Roy Leonard. So thanks for that. And I'm thinking about doing my own clothing line. Yeah. Roy Leonard clothing. I'll drop a link down below. Well, Tommy Cooper got away with that, didn't he? You know, so I'm just following his footsteps. Anyway, don't go away. Right, welcome back. So, Gypsy's been getting all the attention, so Kez got a bit jealous. He wanted to join in. Now, this is the old dog. He's 14, and he hasn't been very well this week. His back legs are getting a bit wobbly, but you know, he's still strong, and he will feed from the beak. You watch it. See? Oh yeah, when you get a bit of food, he will snatch it. If it is a good, lovely dog. Hold on, let me just make. I don't want him to drop it. This is more for the younger viewers. I've got two that I know of, my grandson Marley, hopefully, and Nick's daughter Daisy. So hello to you two. Right, let's let Kez down. I'm going to take him back in a minute. Next, we've got Dylan, named after the great Bob Dylan. Now, all Dylan's interested in is balls, really. But he will take a biscuit. What you do, eh? He's quite an inoffensive dog. He does your head in with balls, though. He keeps bringing them up, but I'll see him in it. Yeah. Now, he's 13. But he's still quite sprightly, though. There we go. And you know who's next, don't you? Oh, Big Ed. Come on, Chip. You coming up or not? Up you coming in. Come on in. Come on up, you can. You know you can jump. Gypsy up. Good. Gypsy. Oh, I don't. You wait your turn. Oh, he's a naughty Gypsy. Oh, that's why it's called Gypsy. Actually, his real name is Buddy. I just call him Gypsy because I think it suits him. Right, we got time for a little tune. Hold on, Kez, can you just wait a little minute? We got to try and incorporate Gypsy again. Hold on. Oh, trying to find the collection. Right, where do you normally go, Gypsy? Alright, this is going to be a quick. This is going to be Silence is Easy by Star Sailor, but I might speed it up a little bit.
Everybody says they're looking for a shelter. Got a lot to give, but I don't know how to help her. They should just let it go till they learn how to grow and how to liberate. Everybody says she's looking for a shelter. Got a lot to give, but I don't know how I felt her. They should just let it go till the cities learn to grow and how to liberate. Silence is easy. It just becomes me. You don't even know me or lie about me. Everybody says I'm looking for a home now. Looking for a boy, am I looking for a girl now? I should just let it go till they learn how to grow into a child again. Silence is easy. It just becomes me. You don't even know me. Why do you hate me?
How did that come out, Gypsy? I think he's a bit bewildered about it. Right, I'm just going to I've got to get going in a minute because I think Kez wants to go back in his comfortable bed. Let's turn the heater down. Right, hold on, what was I going to say? Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed the build-up, a bit of comedy, a bit of, everything mixed in. Kev T, next door, he's a YouTuber. Now, if he watches this, do you reckon you could give us a shout out, Kev T, alright, on your channel, because he's doing very well. He does, picks up scrap cars and end-of-life cars for Charles Trent. No, he's doing well. So, Kev, do you reckon you could give us a mention, and I can make you a lovely bowl. Or for your wife, Nikki, she might love a nice wooden bowl. Anyway, hope you like the video. Nice if you could subscribe. Thank you very much for all the comments on the last video. Gypsy loved them. So, I've been Roy Leonard. He's been Gypsy. I'll catch you on the next clip. Thank you very much. Goodbye.